I got something that came in the mail today, and I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I think y'all might enjoy it. This is gonna be a really quick video, and this should be comfortable. It should be cool. So let's check this out real quick. Boom. Now if you're wondering what this is, these are like the pillow neck rests, but this actually has the Mazda logo on them, and as you can tell, you know, some overseas stuff. So let's get them out the package. Somebody sent me this link and they know I love little stuff like this, and I thought they looked nice in the pictures, and they actually look and feel really nice. I said, hey, you know, I give these a try, and if they don't work out, then, you know, I let my son use it as a football or whatever. I figured that these have like Velcro straps, but they don't. It's like this elastic strap, so I guess I will have to take the headrest off, slide it down in there, and then slide the headrest bars back down in there. So let's get these installed in the car. Of course, on the seat you have one tab on that side, so if you push that tab in, the headrest comes, oh, come back here, comes off. Slide it down in there like so. Actually looks pretty nice. Said it actually matches up really well to the factory seats. Let's give it a try. Oh, check out that Darius Beals shirt there. But yeah, it actually feels pretty good. I dig it. Feels nice, functional mod, fits nice in the back of your neck. I dig it. Looks nice, feels nice. So yeah, I mean, that's all it is to it. Ain't a whole lot to it. So I will have the link in the description, like always. So until next time, guys, peace.